Hi there, this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. I have an update on the Bronco. Just kind of been a little while since we talked and wanted to get you a project update, show you where we're at with the truck. I've got it ready to disassemble for the front end parts. Those have all arrived. I have all the parts here at the shop now for the repairs. And I have stored everything up under here where the car is. So we got all the new hubs for the front, the new axle shafts. This will all replace the front hubs and everything that's missing on this or worn out. Got new seals, new rotors, backing plates, everything to do the front brakes and get everything done there. I got new calipers. These are the brake calipers where we put the brake pads on here. And there's the other rotor and brake caliper there. This is the power steering pump that's going to add power steering to the truck. I got the new pulley for the motor to add the new drive belt for the power steering. Got the new steering horn button, door mirrors, door handles, another door mirror there. Caps for the wheels, replacing the rusted wheel caps that you have. There's the power steering pump, bracket, pulley, another pulley that goes on the front of the motor, some hoses, the new shaft for the steering column that goes in there, the hoses for those as well. Up here at the dash, I got the rear view mirror sitting there. And going up through the boxes, this is the tank. And here are the vent wing windows, exterior door handles. Inside of here, I've got the door glass ready to go in. Door frame, glass frames are here, new radiator, glass felts, all the regulators and parts for the inside of the doors. And then back here I have this is the power brake assembly. So we have the entire unit that's going to replace the old manual brakes in the truck. Assorted brake lines, hoses, to connect all the new brake parts into the upgrades that we're installing. So I got all my parts here for that, and we're looking pretty good there. So this point now, I have cleared out the other projects that I had leading into the year, and now I can start to focus the labor portion of the repairs on the truck. And start getting that's the fuel pump block off plate. So then I can start working on the repair list and getting the parts swapped out and the new ones installed. It's going to take me a period of probably 90 days for me to complete the repairs, somewhere around there. So we're looking at early summer to wrap up the project. But like I said, the bulk of your purchases so far have all been parts related, sourcing, getting everything shipped here, making sure it's the correct parts so that I can start the repair process. And I'll be sending out an updated revision of the estimate so you have all the current records, and then we'll request a payment on account so that I can start using that money to fund the labor portion. This is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye.